Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today's topic I have taken it is I want to make a difference between gravity and the gravitation. अक्सर लड़के ये गलत कर रहे हैं उनको एक ही ये दे आर टेकिंग एट द सेम थिंग ग्रेविटी भी वही है तो ग्रेविटेशन भी देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन ग्रेविटी एंड द ग्रेविटेशनल gravitation. This gravitation was given by Newton. As per Newton, every particle in this universe, suppose these are A particle, this is B particle, this is C particle, this is D particle, this is E particle. This particle they try to attract each other. ये इसको attract कर रहा है, 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 ये इसको attract किस force से वो attract कर रहा है? That was given by Newton. That means every particle in this universe try to attract with another particle with a force. With a force वो भी न्यूटन ने किया. That is directly proportional to the product of their masses. Go m1 and m2, suppose these are the mass of, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them, r square. We have discussed this law. That means when I combine it, I can get that means m1 m2 divided by r square divided by, or f is equal to g m1 m2. मैंने already ये आपको पता है r square, where g is called universal gravitational constant. Why it is called gravitational? Because it has been found same between A and B, between B and E, between E and D, between star and planet, between planets and stars, between Earth and Sun, between Sun and other stars. That means that is why this is called universal gravitational constant. Its value has been 6.67. 6.67 that would 10 raised power minus 20 न्यूटन स्क्वायर पर किलोग्राम स्क्वायर. मैंने ऑलरेडी मैंने डिस्कस किया. दैट मीन्स ग्रेविटेशनल इज द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन between any two particles in the universe. That means this is called gravitational. That means the gravity. What is the gravity? Gravity is basically what is the difference between gravitation and gravity. That means any two particles we can attract in this universe. They attract as per Newton's law. This force is called a gravitational force. This is called a gravity. But when gravity is the force of attraction exerted by Earth towards its center. Suppose this is an Earth, okay. It is having some another particle is lying here. Earth is suppose particle A. It is order B. This Earth try to attract this particle because the force of Earth is much greater than this force. They try to attract this body towards its center. This is called gravity. That means force of gravity. It is the force of attraction exerted by Earth. That means gravity is the force of attraction. Force of attraction exerted by Earth towards its center. ये भी फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, ये भी फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. मगर इसमें ग्रेविटी में द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन टू बॉडीज ऑन द सरफेस. दैट मीन्स सिंपल मैं एग्जांपल लूँगा. अगर मैं ये अर्थ लूँगा, द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन एनी टू बॉडीज ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ, दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन बिटवीन दिस बॉडी एंड द अर्थ, दिस कॉल्ड ग्रेविटी. This is called also gravity. Agar it because Earth attracts towards this also called. That means if we take two bodies on the surface of Earth, the force of attraction between two, it is called a gravitational force. The force of attraction between this and Earth, it's called a gravity. The force of attraction between this body and Earth is called a gravity. That means, but the force of attraction between each body and Earth is called force of gravity. That means force of gravity acting on the body is the measure of the. We know that is the measure of the weight, and we can say it is the special force of gravitation. Gravity force can also be called gravitational force, but all gravitational forces are not called gravity force. Please try to understand. The force of attraction between any two bodies is called gravitational force. That means this is a gravitational force. The force of attraction between Earth and another body is called gravity. This is also called a gravitational force because this is the force of attraction between any two bodies. This is also called a gravitational force, but this force is also called gravity because in among the two bodies, if one body is Earth, that force is called gravity. That means gravity is also called a gravitational force, but all gravitational force are not called gravity force. That means if you can simply remember, among two bodies, if one body is Earth, we can call it gravity, and if the one body is not Earth, that is called a gravitational force. That means simply if the two bodies are lying on the surface of the Earth, the force of attraction between these two bodies is called a gravitational force. The force of attraction between each body and the Earth is called a gravity. I hope you have got it. We know that force of gravitational is equal to F is, but force of gravity it is equal to measure of weight. weight is equal to, it is a force which is body is mg. मैंने already आपको पहले ही बताया, it is equal to mass into g, mass into this acceleration due to gravity. That means gravitational force is the attraction between any two bodies on the universe, but gravity is the force of attraction exerted by earth on the body lying on or near the surface of the earth. We know that gravitational force is equal to this, F is equal to g m1 m2 divided by r square. This is equal to F is equal to mg. But we know that when we say the gravitational force F is equal to g m2 divided by r square. That means it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. That means the force of gravitation between two bodies can be zero if their separation of infinity. That means m1, if the m1 and m2, this distance is very far away. That means if their separation of infinity, this separation of, if their separation is infinity, that means if they are far away from each other, then this becomes negligible. This force, this is almost negligible because it becomes zero. That means force of gravitation becomes zero if the force of gravitation between two bodies can be zero if their separation is infinity. That means if the distance between two bodies, separation means if the distance between two bodies is infinity, that means they are very far away from, because it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. That means the distance can affect. How can force of gravity will become zero? मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, force of gravity will become zero. If you remember the previous class, the force of gravity will become zero at the center of the earth. That means this force of gravity will become zero at the center of the earth. At center of earth, g force of gravity is equal to 0. Force mass into g, because acceleration due to gravity at the center of earth is equal to 0. So mass into 0, that's equal to 0. That means force of gravity will become 0 at the center of the earth. The force of gravitation between two bodies can be 0 if their separation of infinity. If the distance between two bodies is infinity, we can say that means the force of gravitation will become 0. I hope you have got it. Thank you very much. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next one.